Okay, I'm not sure who this will help out there, but so this Focus RS didn't have the blower motor working, and coming to find out, I was looking at another blower motor I had from a Focus ST, but it was an ST1, so it's a little bit different. So on a regular Focus, you have two harnesses, one for the blower motor and then one for the ballast resistor. I'll try to show it in the RS, but in the RS there's two plugs on this, and you end up needing this pigtail to make it work. So what ends up happening is this will go in here, and then there's another plug off of here, so basically the blower motor runs off of the ballast resistor in the RS. So this was just missing. So I had taken the whole dash apart looking for basically this plug, and come to find out we had it in the trunk. Probably just kept it because we didn't know what it was. But that is why it wasn't working. So it's really hard to see, but basically I'll try to show a picture of it, but this has to be there for the blower motor to kick on a Focus RS. What are we doing today, Sterling? What are we working on?
Daddy.
Popsicle?
Mommy.
We gotta put the dash back in. Is it going back in here? Yep. So, well, we gotta put the dash in first. Yeah, well, it's been sitting outside. Okay, got the dash back together. Let's see if we got a blower motor now. Yep. That's kicked in. Looks like we got all the controls. Nice. Looks like we're good to go. Okay, I wanted to show another quick video that'll probably help a lot of people. So this car had the airbags deploy. So what we had to do was replace the restraint control module, which is right underneath the shifter right there. But when you get a new restraint module, it's not going to be programmed. So what you're going to need to do in order to make it to where it doesn't throw a code, because this car was throwing a RCM code, I think it was U1200, I think. But what that means is that the module is not programmed. So what you can do is go to the Motorcraft Service website, and then you can look up your as-built data for your VIN, and then basically program each block. So the RCM is 737 is the address. So then if we look up the 737-0101, we basically can just write each section to the RCM, and then once we do that, it'll get rid of the programming code, and then the airbag light will go off. So something that you can do, that's also what I ended up doing on this car, because I put in the ST3 seats, and that's an ST1. I just loaded the as-built data from an ST3 restraint module to that car, and then it got rid of the bag light. That way you don't have to swap the passenger occupant sensor. But yeah, so something kind of neat there. You do have to have the extended version of FORScan to make it work, which I think is basically free anyway. But yeah, something you can do. Alrighty, so this is driving the RS swapped ST. So just a quick little video. Got the blower motor working, got the airbag module reprogrammed. Everything seems to be driving and running pretty good here, so we'll drive around a little bit and see how it does.